Sabe me pacho nipa uwa. Yedo kwa shefe manya ugwa edo shawo. Yes. Ni ame pache na ane say this entitlement stuff. Say me ne watsna. So I am entitled to your money, no. Eya me na kakra both from the man side and then the woman side. Because so me be. Ye wo ma bebre ana mema bebre so a aware mu ti no. Omo other spouse no edi hia. Na no pacho entitlement be or entitlement or it's just a question. Because so me be. I yet to say man bebre o hono ma they stand on a Japadian to say I am demanding divorce. Hello. Hey, that is remember Bruce, Pacho, subscribe. I Xposed GH. Richard Nikwe Ama and the billionaire. As I say, oh yeah, Adriani free microphone. He's in the news. This time, not the free food, but he has divorced the wife. Now, or divorcing him in aftermath, no stories upon stories. Now, when a delay. The king of what? Interrogation interview. I make say the queen of interrogation interview delay on no kobo mpunimpu. Na nsema papa ne kan no ye kweba meka wasem.
Chankofo penti say ase debi ebeye bi o ebi o won ne tena be 10 years na madi hia ansa na ase wanya sika bi na afa de refi no. It's not like it seems as if it's not like that. The way you are saying the story, no? Because 2 years, 3 years, and China has started hitting and you know okay.
Yes, I was working before I married her.
Yes.
I started a business and I make her worry. Oh, and see, you worry, you know. I started making money before I went to marry her because your wedding, me family your wedding. Once the crown in her.
Okay.
I did all share, everything, okay. Engagement, near money, me sick and medical worrying.
Okay.
So if I never had money, I couldn't have married because we had a very luxury wedding. What I say was a very luxury wedding.
Okay.
So I had money before I got married to her.
Okay.
So I spent a lot of money marrying her.
Okay. So there's this particular picture. I say you're wearing this red shirt. Is circulating online. And for say that time na hiao or no na like obuawa na fedi and never being sika. You've seen that at the American. Yeah. At that time, I would take that picture. What was the occasion?
So at that time, no, I think we went for a social. Events.
Okay.
You know, as couples. We went to a social event.
Were you poor when you took that picture?
I had my car. I was driving her in my car.
Okay.
Before I married her, I bought a car.
Okay.
My VW Passat. I bought my car.
It's VW now in it's nice.
Yes, my Passat.
Also ACC no so.
AC good so.
And now then they call events.
They call events.
And since say they are not here on and I will try that.
Oh, yeah, no worry no. Your engagement anyway. My car that I use here.
Okay.
I use my car.
And now then they call you.
And see, I had a car before I got married.
It's that the be ye narrative no. And I'm say and then no yet see who has to say no kore ana enye no.
Delay. Me see near man amuti eni na no. 99% of it no. Enye.
Ewi ase wan obi bo anu how. Papa ye obo anu how. Onim say ewi ase wan ankasa no ye wo niam bebre o ma ye nti ase. And then bia me catch me ho say I don't owe anybody anything, and nobody owes me something. Ontimase. Yawu ba wiase no. Your destiny is different from even your siblings. It's different from your children. It's different from your wife. You stand alone. Sabe me pacho nipa uwa. Yedo kwa shefe manya ugwa edo shawo. Yes. Ni ame pache na ane say this entitlement stuff. Say me ne watsna. So I am entitled to your money, no? I am in both from the man side and then the woman side. Because so me be. Ye wo ma bebre ana mema bebre so a aware mu ti no omo other spouse no edi hia. Na no pacho entitlement be or entitlement or it's just a question. Because so me be. I yet to say man bebre o hono ma they stand on a Japadian to say I am demanding divorce. Otie Richard kasa here or try so many times to patch up the relationship. But the wife said no, I don't want you again. Na niama so kra no me hwe picture bia no so. Hey, na guy na ni me hu pa o. De bia me ma me say es enam bi wo ha ye fa ye senche. You see, based on your present circumstances, no only warrior, you are wrong. Because the woman will want you based on what you have. But only na and I say be beating na way or pushing it to up to the league now. After the who different guy, fine guys are. Because Asem ka ebe enya warijaya me tie both sides. But there is something that we call communication in marriage. At the center of marriage. So me and who how to communicate and the marriage will break down. And then I me pache kasa de. Sabi ebi ni ho. Ye fa bufuo enka nkyere oba na say na me ni bi no hu ye. Wrong. Sanso na oba wo ko baby na be ma bi say oh na this time for na kwa o nka nkyere ne say na watomia na so ori so watomia na wrong. Ye wo kasa wo ka kire ukunu na wo ye a ema ne kuma eto no yam. And ade bi so a ekwafo koso ne say ebinim sweep the problem under the carpet. It means say na problem na ba na ese e ka no. O se da bi o kine beka no de ba kwasha o pile up. Ti da ni beji boom no awu. Oba on tsase mi enka problem ni jai sa oba no. Bi onim o bottle bibia into ono ho. Ana bema oye ho oh don't let us oboa. Obeja wenche. Na emma no so no sa entitlement na modi call our him no, it's wrong. You go into a marriage to make each other better. You don't go in expecting say our I will earn so much from it. That is not the real case of marriage. Our really say me fi baby now fi baby. Na ye nyina ye wo shared vision. Na vision ya bem say oh ye nyina want to make our lives better. And we still have separate lives. And nothing that we want namfu na me want me namfu for no. That is how it is. The commitment is the marriage, it's not to the people. Yes, my commitment is to the marriage vows that I make, and yet to the personality. It's a commitment towards the vow near personality ni baby you now share commitment to the way no and not lucky. People don't even understand the commitment that they've made. Will be one more do yeka vow no tra no so can be trasa one tia siepo. But if you understand what you're saying and you know say this is a vow before man and God, you be careful. And no na akaya kakra. And no tin na our ejai bebre e koso no. Because obi o be say me ba worry no to say were you expecting me to remain the same after all these years? When people grow, their mentality change. When people grow, even the way they see things change. And nothing that the age gap shouldn't be too wide. So that you all see things at the same time. Women are more mature than men. Say when the age becomes too way, afe baby those are the things it's because you see that's what we call compatibility. It means me ne me yira na me ne me kunu no bibia mu no ubisa na sama enbuayo de be ma no samuel na me sum de ma ya adwen krat me ya baako. And only a perfect marriage. But marriage is not based on money. And now here sikafon bebre omo jamo with the hope that they will get money. Me pa cha oye sikania fa sikare brem na me fa sie ma we dey ka so jawa me fa ma no. What it? I Xposed the HFM subscribe share. Me too man now so I can be manuals.